You should never bring your smartphone to bed. Here are 4 good reasons. You probably think that keeping your phone on your nightstand may not seem like a big deal, but technology affects your sleep in more ways than you realize. Whether you're surfing the web, playing a video game, or using your phone as an alarm clock, in the late evening you're probably keeping yourself from a restful night. And I also think that you'll be shocked when we tell you that a recent study has found that 63% of smartphone users between the ages of 18 and 29 actually sleep with their phones or tablets in their beds. Yes, and you should also know that the experts have discovered that our chronic sleep deprivation is linked to these devices being allowed in our sleep space. 1. You will reduce the chances of playing games or chatting with your friends. Yes, and we all know that this usually starts with a quick scan of your Facebook news feed or just 5 minutes on Candy Crush. But it rarely ends there, especially for the younger generations. Late night texting and phone use among teenagers has only exacerbated their chronic sleep deprivation problems due to a lack of designated sign-off times. This is very important for you to know. If you stay up late on a daily basis, you will readjust your internal clock and delayed sleep phase syndrome sets in. Now your body physically can't fall asleep until that new set time, whether it's midnight or 2 AM. This dysfunctional sleep pattern then negatively impacts energy levels and work productivity the following day. 2. You will pay more attention to your loved one. Let's all agree on this. A loved one is clearly more cuddly than your cell phone, right? And unfortunately, the technology in the bedroom is one of the main culprits when it comes to a couple's personal life. A recent study has shown that 72% of Americans keep their phone within 5 feet of themselves majority of the time, and 20% of young adults are actually on their phones. Yes, this technological connection is compromising the real life connection. So ladies and gentlemen, if you want to avoid killing the mood between the sheets and improve your overall communication with your partner, it's best to leave your phone out of the mix. 3. You can read a new book instead. It's very simple, just read a good book instead of wasting your time on Facebook. And no, a reading lamp will not emit the same stimulating blue light as a digital screen, allowing the natural sleep cycle to begin as you wind down. From young adult novels to historical biographies, the written word gives your mind a single track to follow, rather than overwhelming you with stimulating notifications. A recent study has revealed that our memory recall is best if we learn something right before sleeping, compared with learning something and then being awake for a whole day. 4. You will be more relaxed without the phone alerts. You'll notice that leaving your phone on or nearby can create a sense of hypervigilance, an experience often associated with post-traumatic stress disorder that involves feeling constantly tense or on guard. Being alert for incoming phone calls, text messages or emails prevents the body from achieving the desired state of total relaxation.